Ja, Mann. Level 4. Ich geh furios weiter.
Hey, are you still breathing, soldier? Hold on, I'll get you out of there. Anyone with you? Damn, not anymore. I can't help your buddy.
Scheiße, my leg. And we almost made it. This creature came flying at us.
Well, your friend wasn't so lucky. But glad you made it. By the look of your plane, seems your guardian angel had a busy night. There's a house close by. I'll get you there. Take a look at your wounds.
Wait! You're a damn Englishman!
No, Fritz. I'm a damn American. Lieutenant George Patton's the name. Don't be so choosy about who's saving your life, soldier.
I don't thank my enemies.
Thanks are for barmaids and bellboys, so save your breath. Point is, our little war's become irrelevant. Now move! They'll come at us as soon as it's dark. Get up! Get up! They're here! They're all over us! Door's blocked, okay? There's a gun on the table. Use it! I'll take care of the roof.
Meine Knarren da gut. Weiß nicht. Bei der Dauer wieder eine romantische Stimmung.
You won't take us alive, you ugly
Der bläht nur so. Wo ist der? Und George, was hast du noch gemacht?
You on board?
Partystimmung. Das ist so. Alter, Rede Süd. Blöde Sau. Also George geht oben. Wir haben dort. Da muss man noch Suchschreiber. Gibt ihr wer wohl?
There's too many of them tonight. The barricade's down. Should find the rest of my tank squad there. And with any luck, my sweet red hot
Pass auf. Da liegt der Peter rum.
little baby will break your heart.
I doubt it.
Let's move.
Uah. Und gleich Gegner. Ja, super. Der ist wieder durch. Pass auf, was da Kugeln? Nehmen wir mit. Was ist das Ding? Die Menge nehmen gar nicht. Da op. Böse wollte ich sofort schön. Komm, jetzt wird's kriminell. Alter, wenn der Bullet Time geflickt in die Schnauze geschossen. Oh, da. Diese räudigen Köter. Wo treibt der da schon? Dieser Fronttänzer. Ja, möchtest du rein oder möchtest du rauf? Georgie, wie schauen aus? Und die Seite. So ganz zufällig. Ja. Er wollte sich vorstellen. Pass auf. Die haben so irgendwas abgetrennt. Pass auf, ein Bajonett. Hau das so mit meinen Granaten. Also meine Gewehrgranaten, die wir blockieren. Den haut unter die Dicken. Und da ist zu. This way? Welche way? Okay, fix. Georgie, kennt ihr das? Hier, Schuge.
Move
Aha,
on
er
up.
konnte es.
I'll guard this entrance. Lock the other end, then get yourself back here.
I don't take orders from you, Lieutenant. But I happen to agree with your plan.
I'm honored. Now move it!
Mal nicht rum. Pass auf. Den brauche ich. Den brauche ich nicht.
Damn! I'm on my own now.
I scare myself.
Trenchgun. Eine Flinte? Geil. Ja gut, da kriegt das volle Programm geboten. Und jeder Problem gehabt. Alter, wo der jetzt hängen? Oha. Alter, da fliegen das sämtliche Körperteile entgegen. Und da ein Fernrohr. Wenn zum Mund schauen. Ich glaube, den sieht er so auch, oder? Aber Kumpel. Hier geht der Weg. Da brennt der Busch. Pass auf, ich sag dir, wir müssen um. Deine Song. Über die Brücke des Glücks. Haha, wer ist da? Der Mann im Rock.
Put your gun down. I'm not gonna hurt you. We're all that's left of our regiment. We tried to break into the monastery. They've got some French tanks there, see? About the only things that'll damage these bloody monsters, whatever they are.
The monastery. That's where I'm going.
Oh, are ya? Some chance. The cavern's the only way through, and that's full of creatures like you've never seen. Horrific. They'll tear you to pieces. And plenty more of these bog-eyed freaks before you even get there. You've not got a hope in hell.
You can rot here forever if you like. I'm going on.
You're bloody mad, you know that?
I have a mission and my duty. Is that a British concept?
I'll show you what a Scotsman can do, pal. Yeah. And I'll get even with those flesh-dripping bastards while I'm at it. We'll help clear your way to the cavern. But if you want to go inside, be those monsters dinner, that's your lookout.
Na, Sniper. Respekt. Dann hab ich die ja wieder. Die leih aus. Pass auf, was hab ich noch? Smoke Grenade. Was bringt dir die? Komm mal, fahren die Granaten noch. Hey, da liegt er. Ich bin dringend in der Schnauze. Straße bauen, ich geh jetzt. Ich bin wieder zurück. Ja, die Granaten, die fix. Komm, der Wundertag. Oh, super. Komm mal, guter Plan. Das Problem war, ich habe keine Granaten gehabt. Darum haben wir seine blöden Rauchgranaten daher. Schieß doch! Ah ja, die war zumindest die Rauchgranaten. Also geht gut. Hier denke ich gut, oder?
Like I said, you're on your own now, Jerry. Good luck in there. You're going to need it.
Das hab ich ein Bayern nicht. Respekt. Pass auf, meine Knochen noch wieder beieinander. Langsam. Der Schotten, die ist auch dumm. Pass auf. Wie schaut aus? Okkulte Rituale. Da mische ich mit. Oh, Scheiße.
Claims mankind, so I possess you. We hold them at bay, buried in the deep, seething, unaware of our true form, oblivious of your debt, of your doom. You keep us hidden in the darkness, waiting. Yet the truth is that we and they are real. Prove yourself to us, and we will give you power. Power. Power.
What are you?
No!
I feel cold. It did something to me. Have I caught the disease?
No, this is no disease. This is the turning of the tide. We feel the seed of change you carry with you. You are not like the others. Show me you are worthy. Show me.
Benito. Der Typ im Rücken, den wollen wir schon die Schnauzen.
When they hit me, I felt no pain.
Oh Baby, kennt man's. Na bist du nur mal. Komm, gut ist hier. Habe die Pfeife im Rücken. Der möchte ein bisschen wissen. Der holt den Waschel. Komm, schaut aus, das ist sauer. Pass auf, das war er. Der Typ im Rollstuhl. Dreh sein Ballermann. Der war ganz recht. Pass auf, das glaube ich ihm. So hilft wahrscheinlich muss ich. Dorfjüder. Geh fliegt nach draußen.
Hey, Granddad! I thought you were dead.
I could say the same about you, Lieutenant. How did you make it through?
Takes more than a bunch of meat-faced loons and a few flames to stop one of the tank corps, even without my beautiful Renault.
So, what now?
You wanted to get to Fort Stern, am I right?
If I can get there, I may be able to bring this horror to an end.
Well, I'll drink to that, pal. It's a long way, but if we can get my tank rolling, I'll get you there in one piece.
Oh, American technology has let you down, Lieutenant?
My little baby's French, and she's lost her heartbeat. You'd call that a carburetor. We can fix her up, but it means taking our chances in the monastery.
I've never been there, but I have a bad feeling about this monastery.
And so you should. It's being used as a lazaret. Quarantine, you know? But it's one hospital where you wouldn't want the nurses looking after you.
Why not?
We stopped there last night to repair the carburetor. It was late, looked abandoned. Collins took the gear inside to get some light, and we never saw him or the carburetor again. Instead, we had to fight off these damn crazy nurses, more like animals. Looked like they got rabies or something. Anyway, oh, I think we have company. Let's go!